Today I want to show how to increase your dimension. Now see, this dimension is not visual. After zoom it, you can see it's a visual. So how to show in the proper size? That's why you have to go to this annotation. Yeah, annotation, go to this dimension and click here and go to this modifier and go to fit and switch text and switches. Here is 2. I select this 10, enter. Okay, everything will be by default. Just click OK and close it. Now see, it's a visual. If you want to see any size, you can change by this way. Thank you for watching.